The QHNB heavy-duty furniture movers set combines compact dollies and a lifting tool to make shifting bulky cabinets, sofas, and appliances far less strenuous for one or two people. Its thick carbon steel construction and five-wheel design give each dolly an impressively high load capacity while resisting flexing or deformation under heavy furniture. Smooth rolling rubber casters that rotate in every direction allow you to maneuver large items through tight spaces and around corners with much better control. The included parked dollies can stay positioned under furniture for long periods, so you can roll items out when needed and lock them back in place without repeated setup. Thoughtful safety touches like double-sided and single-sided textured pads help keep furniture from sliding on the platforms during movement or long-term placement. The kit is well equipped with multiple dollies, pads, a lifter, and a wrench, giving you a complete, ready-to-use solution for frequent home or workshop rearranging.